Well, here's what's nice about chiropractic is we're trained to be rural doctors. So in the middle of nowhere, middle of Iowa, are you going to have a $1,500 photograph to look at an MRI and see it on camera? Not necessarily. And so chiropractors for a long time have been able to do tests which really find out if somebody's got a disc herniation through what's called a very sensitive or very specific test, orthopedic test. And so one of those things we can do is just pull on the nerve, right? So if it's in the neck, for example, we can pull on C6-7 simply by putting the nerve into the tightest position possible. Now, you probably haven't done that since you were a kid, right? But in the next level up, we'll actually pull the arm back like this and see if C5 is herniated, right? In the legs, we don't put your foot up over your head, but we can actually pull on the sciatic nerve by dropping the head, lifting the leg, tilting the toe back. Usually this is something you do assisted by the doctor, and you'll be able to find that one side hurts more than the other. Sometimes you might just be like, I'm pretty sure that's just my hamstring. We always go back to the history. Did you injure your hamstring? Were you running, playing sports, reaching for a ball, pickleball, anything like that? And again, one hamstring should not be tighter than the other unless you have verifiable reason for it. Somebody says, oh yeah, I tore that hamstring real bad in college. That might be a big reason for that, but these are very sensitive and specific tests, which mean they have statistical power to rule in or rule out a condition. And they're just as sensitive statistically as an MRI.